Hey guys, this is Richard with High Tech Battery. Today I'm going to show you how to use the GBX155 in override mode when you have an extremely discharged battery. In this scenario, we've gone ahead and connected our GBX155 positive, positive, negative to negative. It's properly connected. We've tried jump starting the vehicle and it's not registering the battery. It's not engaging in a jump starting mode. I can tell that by switching the unit on. I don't have my trailing lights. I don't have my solid white light. It's not registering that it's attached to a battery. That's because the battery is too discharged for the unit to engage. It doesn't recognize that it's connected to a battery. The override mode is designed exactly for that purpose. You'll see a button in here said override with an exclamation mark. I'm going to press that button for 5 seconds to engage it. You'll physically hear a click and feel a click, I should say, and hear it. And then you'll get your trailing lights and your blinking white light. This means that I am in override mode. It's not solid like it is in regular jump starting mode, it's blinking. That means override. This mode, you must have everything connected prior. It does override the safety features of the jump starter. That's why it's called override mode. So you have 60 seconds on a countdown here to go ahead and start the vehicle. If you can't start the vehicle, then you have to wait 30 seconds on a cooldown and then try again by reconnecting the jump starter. Once the vehicle is started, you need to come back here and hit the off button. That will turn the GBX155 off and you are good to go.